Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya.
Hello everyone, welcome to Dheya Cup series. In today's walk of life, whether be a student, a worker person, a homemaker or a business person, everyone experiences stress and hence we all need an effective stress buster. So one of the most common stress buster or most preferred stress buster is drawing. Whether you're a Van Gogh or a stick figure sketcher, creating art can significantly reduce stress hormones in our body. While you make art, you get involved in lines, shapes, forms, textures, spaces, color and value, and this helps us forget all other worries, forget everything else. Besides, you can express all your thoughts, all your worries, feelings and emotions through your artwork. Also, when you create something beautiful, it encourages you to make more artwork and this helps our body release happy hormones. I draw when I'm happy, I draw when I'm sad, I draw when I'm worried because no matter what, drawing has always helped me to overcome all the situations. So talking about me, I initially wanted to join Armed Forces with Engineering Division as prime target. So I pursued my plus 2 studies in science stream, appeared for CET exams and NATA exams. I also qualified in merit seats. But back of my mind, I was not happy to study engineering. I was in a confused state what to choose and what course to take up. At this point of time, my dad's colleague suggested me about Dheya for my proper career guidance. I immediately fixed an appointment with them. Dheya, through various tests and assignment, analyzed my potentials, my strengths and my weaknesses. Then suggested me 4 career options, clearly defining the opportunities in each field in future. Then it was easy for me to choose what I am studying now. I chose Fine Arts as my career and at present I am a student in Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad in Bangalore and I'm really happy with my course and I thank Dheya for guiding me in the very right path. Okay, so today we'll be talking about how art can be very effective as stress buster. So all we need to do is sit in a comfortable serene, away from noise, away from any interruptions. Grab a sheet of paper and art materials. You can choose any medium you like. Now all we need to do is close your eyes. Imagine anything you like. Maybe the last trip you had. Maybe the best scene you visited. Or your favorite food. Your favorite dress, or maybe your favorite doll, or the best road journey, or maybe your pet. Get a clear image of whatever you want to do. Now take a pencil, crayon, color pencil, or a paintbrush, whatever you wish, or whatever you're comfortable with. Your sketch need not be perfect. You just put your idea, memory and all the creativity on the sheet. When all these things meet the sheet, things need not be realistic. Don't think or plan too much while you sketch here. Let your hand keep moving on the sheet. Any random thought, just directly on the sheet. Once you're done with the sketch, we can go with the paint now. That's my sketch right there. I'm using paint and as my canvas today I have taken a stone. It's a flat stone. This stone absorbs a lot of water, so I'll have to be applying direct thick paint. If I apply dilute paint over here, the stone will absorb it all and I'll have to apply more layers of paint. My sketch is ready right there. It need not be understood by others. It's just for your reference for painting. I'm using white paint right there. And to know why I use thick paint in certain parts and thin paint in certain parts, today I'll be going with monochrome. It's not really monochrome that I'll be doing today. I'll be using shades and tints of red. So to know more about paints, you can check my YouTube channel. The link is given in the description box below. Whatever art you do, it need not be pleasing to others. All that matters is whether it looks good to you, whether you're proud of it or no. Just look at how the colors blend, how the colors mix with each other. It's really wonderful that how a simple brush and simple liquid paint can create such wonderful pieces of art. It's really mesmerizing to see this. Right there my stairs are ready, and I have added some flowers, and I'll be adding a cat right there. I had taken the most beautiful scenery I had seen. I have a pet cat, so I have added that over there. So basically the idea was, with career mentors you can climb the stairs of success and you have a really bright future. Like you can see there's white brightness over there. Now I have clarity in my career and suggest you also seek mentoring from Dheya. You can check out their website. The link is given in the description box below. Also, support my YouTube channel Color Tunes, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is mentioned in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.